Every year, over 80 of global wastewater is released into the environment without any treatment. Over 8 million tons of plastic are released into the seas annually. You can make a difference. Introducing the N67EP Series. By skipping the overcoating procedure, we save 0.725 gig carbon for each package. Every tree can provide 50 pounds of usable paper. Initially, each tree could produce approximately 7.3 packages. However, with the use of white craft paper, it can now produce around 10.4 packages. The original package with 100% full oil paint cover will cause several pollution problems. Now, we reduce the coverage of oil paint down to 30% to reduce usually potential pollution to the earth. In order to save more paper, all user manuals will be available online, including detailed installation guide. With a few enhancements in place, the power wattage of the light remains fully intact, providing you with the same experience while taking a more environmentally protective approach. One small change, one big leap for the future. Now available on our homepage and other online shopping platforms.